When I was a kid, the deli counter always had these giant barrels full of dill pickles. They were my favorite. Today I'll show you how to make a gut-healthy version of these that taste amazing right after this. Most pickles are made with vinegar and spices. While they are delicious, they don't have much benefit for your health. Lacto-fermented pickles are delicious, packed with probiotics, and sport a complex flavor that'll leave you wanting more. Wash your pickling cucumbers. To maximize the amount of pickles I can fit in my jars, I slice them into rounds. I've also made these with whole pickles and it works great. For a quart-sized jar, I use 2 dried chili peppers cut in half. Cutting them allows the brine to penetrate the pepper and brings out more of the heat. These are optional. Peel and smash 4 fresh garlic cloves. Add 2 bay, oak, or grape leaves. This is a critical detail, so don't skip it. Add a small handful of peppercorns. Add about a 1/4 cup of fresh chopped dill. Zero out the weight of the mason jar. Add cucumbers. Fill with filtered water up to the neck of the jar. Make a note of the total weight. Carefully pour the water out of the mason jar into another container. Multiply the total weight by 2.5% to determine the amount of salt needed for your brine. Weigh out the amount of salt calculated previously. Add the salt to the water and stir until completely dissolved. Add the salt water back to the cucumbers. Use a weight or other device to completely submerge the cucumbers. Seal the jar and let it sit for 2 to 5 weeks. Check them after 2 weeks for taste. If you aren't using an airlock or ferment lid, make sure to burp the jar daily for the first 2 weeks. If you make this recipe, please let me know how it turned out in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to see more.